looks pretty cool. Ooh, let's miss the house. Ooh, that battery's not getting it. I think the CG is a little to the rear. Let's have a lot of, oh, poop. Let's give it another pitch and, yeah, we'll just see what happens. Lots of up trim. Which, wait a minute. Why is the nose dropping if there's lots of up trim? That tells me the CG's too far forward. Whee! That's better. I guess I had the CG too far forward. Ooh, airspeed, airspeed. Whee! I'll just fly in a circle. Whee! Ooh, not the ground, not the ground. Hopefully I have the GoPro aimed correctly. So I think it's a lot heavier than it needs to be in its current state with all the hot glue repairs I've done. But this is just on a 3-cell. Plenty of power. Obviously, I'm just flying around at full throttle. Oh, come on. Oh, poop. It does launch better than the original. The brushless EDFs are certainly putting out more power than those old Diablo EDFs. Oh, my battery's taking a schnizzle-pootsin'. Let's just get her back here. Oh, that's hilarious. It almost went on the ground.